simultaneous solubility. Simultaneous solubility. So simultaneous solubility means if two or more insoluble salts, two or more insoluble salts having minimum one common ion dissolved together, simultaneous solubility or simultaneous precipitation takes. So what I am saying, not stronger electrolyte, we have to mix only weaker electrolytes which are insoluble. When two or more if you add, they each other will act as a common ion. For example, I will, in one container I am dissolving silver chloride and as well as silver bromide. Both I am mixing. Silver chloride will split into Ag plus and Cl minus. Silver bromide split into Ag plus and Br minus. So when these both substances are taken in one container, together dissolved in water, AgBr is common ion for the AgCl and AgCl is common ion to the AgBr. What they are going to do? Each other common ion they are acting. Silver bromide suppress the solubility of AgCl. AgCl suppress the solubility of AgBr so that their solubilities will decrease. This is called simultaneous solubility, or they will suppress themselves, they are precipitating. So simultaneous precipitation also we can call. Each other they are precipitating. Silver chloride precipitating the silver bromide precipitating the silver chloride. So what we can write here? AgCl act as common ion to AgBr. Next, AgBr act as common ion to AgCl. Each other they will behave as a common ion because both also insoluble substances only. In such case, how to calculate the new solubility of the substances? Take one question. With one question you will understand. Ksp of AgCl AgCl 9 into 10 power minus 10 and Ksp of AgBr 16 into 10 power minus 10. Then calculate solubility. This is question number 1. Solubility of each in pure water. B. Simultaneous solubility or solubility when these two taken together. Okay, first one is individual, they are in different container dissolved. Second question, both you are dissolved in one container. If both are dissolved in one container, what we will have? Simultaneous solubility will be. So first we take individual. A question we will solve. A what become? For silver chloride. For silver chloride, it is splitting into Ag plus Cl minus. So KSP what become? KSP is equal to S square. S is equal to root of KSP, that is equals to root of 9 into 10 power minus 10. So that is 3 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter inverse. This is the solubility of silver chloride in pure water. Similarly, silver bromide. Silver bromide will split like Ag plus Br minus. Its KSP expression will be S square. Same again, S is equal to root of KSP, that is equals to root of 16 into 10 power minus 10. So that is 4 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter inverse. This is pure water. Already we have done this kind of problems. But we need only simultaneous solubility. Now see the second one. Simultaneous solubility. So second question is based on simultaneous solubility. Simultaneous solubility. So both we are taking together. AgCl split into Ag plus and Cl minus. AgBr split into Ag plus Ag plus and Br minus. So what we do, the solubility of silver, I will take S1. If it is S1, it is also become same S1. Silver bromide, I will take solubility S2, it is also S2. Now these both salts are present in one container and both are present at equilibrium. Both salts are present in one container and both are present at equilibrium. So now at equilibrium, concentration of Ag plus. So since these both are in one container, concentration of Ag plus means you have to take concentration of Ag plus from the silver chloride, concentration of Ag plus from the silver bromide. Together has to be taken. So concentration of silver bromide at silver at equilibrium becomes S1 plus S2. Right? Same way, concentration of Cl minus at equilibrium. Cl minus means Cl minus released only by one salt. So that is S1. Concentration of Br minus at equilibrium is S2. Look at why the Ag plus we are taking S1 plus S2. Because silver plus ions are released by the two salts. So concentration at equilibrium becomes for silver ions sum of the ions released by silver chloride and silver bromide. Okay, so S1 plus S2. This is. Now these values we substitute in the equilibrium expression. It means wherever Ag plus is coming in the expression of KSP, you have to write S1 plus S2. Understanding? If I want to write silver chloride expression KSP, I need Ag plus. Ag plus at equilibrium how much present? S1 plus S2. This value you have to write rather than S1 or S2, you have to write S1 plus S2. So I will write here KSP expression for silver chloride. For silver chloride, KSP of AgCl is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. Right? So what is the KSP of AgCl given in the question? AgCl is given 9 into 10 power minus 10. So 9 into 10 power minus 10 is equal to concentration of Ag plus at equilibrium. concentration of Ag plus at equilibrium S1 and S2. So that you take S1 plus S2, S1 plus S2. Concentration of Cl minus at equilibrium only S1. So into S1. This you consider equation number 1. Similarly for silver bromide, Ksp of silver bromide is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of bromide minus. So Ksp of silver bromide given in the question 16 into 10 power minus 10 is equal to concentration of Ag plus. Again what you have to take? S1 plus S2. So S1 plus S2 into concentration of Br minus S2. Equation number 2. So equation 1 plus 2 you do. When you add this both equation, what it become? 25 into 10 power minus 10 is equal to S1 plus S2 whole square become. Try once. Simplify. This one S1 plus S2. This equation 1 and equation 2 you add. 9 into 10 power minus 10, 6 into 10 power minus 10 is 25 into 10 power minus 10. If this S1 plus S2, S1 plus S2 into S2 if you add, it becomes S1 plus S square whole square. So from here S1 plus S2 is equal to root of 25 into 10 power minus 10, that is 5 into 10 power minus 5, which is the value of S1 plus S2 at equilibrium. So to substitute you know this value, so that value is 5 into 10 power minus 5. Now this value S1 plus S2 which is 5 into 10 power minus 2, you consider 3. This equation 3 and equation you substitute in 1 and 2. So equation 3 substitute in 1. If I substitute in into 10 power minus 10 by 5 into 10 power minus 5, it becomes 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter inverse. This is new solubility of silver chloride, wherein simultaneous solubility. In pure water, what is the solubility of silver chloride? 3 into 10 power minus 5. But due to simultaneous solubility, each other acting as a common ion, so the silver chloride, equation 1 is belong to silver chloride, so silver chloride solubility became 1.8 into 10 power minus 5, slightly decreased. Pure water 3 into 10 power minus 5. But in simultaneous solubility 1.8 rather than 3, 1.8, slightly decreased when compared to the pure water. Same way, equation 3 in equation 1, sorry, equation 2, substitute. If you substitute equation 2, this one, 16 into 10 power minus 10 is equal to S1 plus S2. S1 plus S2 value 5 into 10 power minus 5 into S2. So S2 value will be 16 into 10 power minus 10 by 5 into 10 power minus 5, that is 3.2 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter. In pure water, silver bromide solubility 4 into 10 power minus 5. But here 3.2 into 10 power minus 5, slightly decreased. So this manner we can proceed to the calculation of simultaneous solubility. Whenever question comes based on simultaneous solubility, only the most important point, at equilibrium what are their concentrations will be. So which is a common ion in the given two salts, that common ions concentration at equilibrium to be taken, sum of the concentrations released by the both the substances. So Ag plus is common ion in this both the case. So at equilibrium Ag plus concentration must be equal to sum of the concentrations released by the silver chloride and silver bromide. So this method, if simultaneous solubility problems comes, you can approach. This is only most important thing to identify. From there you have to find that common ion concentration at equilibrium how much present. That we have to substitute in the regular Ksp expression, so that we will have what is the simultaneous solubility of the each salt.